And here we are, Unicorn V12.
A white trash can and a white trash can.
Awesome. Good morning and goodbye, Piston Klause. The best taxi in Nürburgring.
Also the most tired one.
Oh, well, you're not the only one. To the airport. Bye, sub 7 up. I'll miss you. Well, I'll be back in 2 weeks with your big brother or old brother or
sister.
Or sister. It's also like your golf gun sister, brother. I don't know.
I think it's very fun, relative.
Yeah. Need to elevate the music. Escalator. Well, things escalated quickly. Actually not. It was a very long ride. My last German egg McMuffin. No, I'll be back soon.
I only have like 1 or 2 bacon strips on that.
Oh.
That's disappointing.
It is. Well, when life gives you bacon, I don't know, do something with it.
Drop the egg.
Yeah. Oh wow, some plane. So, welcome back in Zagreb to me. The plan now is I'll be picked up by someone from Rimac. We are going to my new apartment, sign the contract, then do some more administration, and tonight gonna go shopping. Already made some friends on Instagram, and I said, well, let's do some IKEA run, meet and greet. So I think, yeah, it's going to be a very interesting adventure. Sunlight, what's that? We don't have that in Nürburgring. Actually we do, yesterday's vlog was pretty sunny. There's a first time for everything. And there's definitely a first time for me riding in the Renault Zoe.
It's not even the old car.
It's maybe like some piece of cardboard or something. At least it's not a cat.
At least it wasn't alive.
So, these are the people that we need to keep as friends, right?
Yeah.
Croatian tax service. This is like a scene from Taken. Where's Liam Neeson? Next up, notary. Oh wow, that's a very nice one. As if I never left the Nürburgring. And there we have a sub 7 up, pretty much. So, what happened so far is that I signed the I got my tax ID number. I signed the contract with my landlord at the notary. And I got the keys. Already been to the apartment. I'll probably show it to you later, but at now it was just like a bit weird to like point camera in everyone's face, you know, different culture. So, but now let's get some food. And again, like with the BMW and the sub 7 up, it feels as if I never left home, because look at that. Ali Kebaba reminds me of Alibaba in, I don't know. Oh my god, they have pancakes. Nice. That was without a doubt one of the best kebabs I ever had. I'm happy that it's around the corner from Rimac, so there will be plenty of more trips and pickups. And now, back into the Zoe, and let's go to Rimac. Home sweet home. Well, that's great. Still need to go there. Going to the employees parking now. 2 weeks ago when it was in December, I had the luxury of parking on the guest parking. And here we are. Second home, kinda. Yeah, I definitely feel at home already. Alright, so very late fast forward, had a quick hello at Rimac. I got a new laptop, yay! And now I need to go and do some shopping at IKEA. So I posted today on Instagram while I was at the airport, like, yo, does someone wants to do meet and greet? And some people replied. I'm like, okay, you want to do IKEA run? Yeah, sure. So one of them was Luca in this amazing Mark 6 GTI. Hey, how are you doing?
Good. Yeah.
Thanks for being my savior, I would say.
No problem.
What a fancy ride that I get to experience already on the first day. And funny thing is that we have a lot of common friends apparently.
Yeah.
The world is small.
Yeah.
Let's go and have some IKEA fun. Unicorn V12. That sound does not come from the V12, by the way, but from the Clubsport spec, no back seat. You also have different suspension? Or
it's
springs?
AP coilovers.
Oh, okay. So this is different than stock.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to do proper car meet with McDonald's. Nice. Like I told you, as if I never left the ring. Boys stay boys. Right, so gotta learn how to talk again after having slept for only 1 hour today. So yeah, I'm sorry that today's vlog kind of sucks. But yeah, at McDonald's, got a Coke to refill my sugar levels because it's been very sad the whole day. But moreover, I gotta say, first impression is that after having lived for 5 years at the Nürburgring, this is completely different environment in the city. I think it's going to be interesting content. But now a very interesting content, which is going to be shopping in IKEA. But maybe we should also check out the car. Oh yeah, that's a straight pipe as well. And a while later, and the monthly salary spent at IKEA as always. That's like the most upset part about moving. That you spend so much stuff on basically nothing. Some towels and pillows. Obviously you went for the expensive stuff because sleep is very important when you get so little of it. Meanwhile, we're joined by Ivan, the meme engineer of Rimac. Nice. Yeah, that's what the Clubsport spec is for.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this also.
White trash can in a white trash can.
Nice. Awesome. I mean, I have to make a mandatory joke. We should go for a lap.
Break all the stuff.
Yeah, no, we definitely cannot hoon around. Oh wow, some TDI gang. We have very good driver excuse. We have got some vibes there. Oh, why is the zoom fully on? And now we change the setting of IKEA for some underground Need for Speed garage. Man, I'm having it all today. That's so awesome. But no, on a serious note, just getting some extra groceries like washing stuff, food. What's the deal with not running front plate, by the way?
300 kunas, but in 3 days, if you pay, like, it's half, 150 kunas.
Wow, which is like 50 euros or
150 kunas is
it's
like,
25.
Yeah.
Yeah, 20. That's awesome. It's basically the same in Germany, actually. In Germany, it's like 50 euros if you don't run front plate. We actually came here to buy some cars. Just like free advertisement.
It's too expensive, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. I actually want the new Batmobile, but they don't have it here. No, I don't want Heineken because I'm Dutch. I want natural AF. Right. Some marketing gods here in Croatia. We really found out what the Clubsport spec Golfs are for. Perfect. And if you had the cage, you could maybe do also some other creative stuff with it.
Yeah.
But
Make some clothes, man.
yeah. Is this the place?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like Shisha bar from the outside. Oh, free wireless internet. I'm in. The downside of having very fancy wheels is that you have to be very careful with parking. Better be safe than sorry. Some lip. Never had this fancy shisha.
Daj mi žicu. Ovo je mobitel.
And a fast forward to my new place. What do you think of it? Yeah, I gotta unpack and maybe hang up some paintings of the Nürburgring to make it more feel like at home. But yeah, don't mind the mess because first day moving in. First of all, massive thank you to my new friends. Is it too early to call someone friend after a night? I think we can definitely find a common language. We talked about cars all the time, and it's awesome. So Luca, Dorian, Ivan, and the second Ivan that I already know from before. Thank you very much for an amazing evening. I hope you guys enjoyed this content as well. I apologize again. I know I shouldn't be apologizing, but I'm sorry for me being because I slept for only 1 hour and it was a day full of emotions. But your feedback for me is very important. There's going to be a lot more with this because of course it's not a Nürburgring, and there will be Nürburgring content because again I'll be coming back the regular. I need to sleep. But still, I think the variety of city life with some jokes and funs and being a bit more stupid, a bit more open, not that stiff like I was today, because again, a bit new and this and that. I should go to sleep. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of it, and see you guys tomorrow when I'm going to unveil my new car. Bye.